Are you looking for a very good lotion to whiten your skin, to brighten your skin, to nourish your skin, to lighten your skin, to glow your skin, and to also work on dry skin for you? Then this video I'm doing, or this video I'm about to do, is for you. In this video, I will be reviewing on Pure White body lotion. Okay, it's a lotion that is formulated to clear spots on the skin, to lighten the skin, to brighten the skin, and to glow the skin as well. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what Pure White lotion is. I'll share with you guys some ingredients that I use to formulate Pure White lotion, and I'll share with you guys who should use Pure White lotion, and also the roles it plays on the skin, and how you are supposed to use it very well to glow the skin, okay? And also the side effects of not using Pure White lotion well. Pure White lotion is one of the best affordable lightening products that works perfectly on the skin, okay? And it comes in so many forms, okay? We have the cake soap, we have the lotion itself, we have the oil, and I think we have the face cream as well. It's like a combination of a set. Okay, so if you want to whiten your skin by using Pure White body lotion or the product, you can grab the cake soap, you can grab the lotion itself, you can grab the face cream, and you can grab the oil as well. Now let's look at some few ingredients that is used to formulate Pure White lotion. One, they use fruit oil. Two, they use anti-spot herbal complex. They use vitamin C. They use vitamin E. They use water or aqua. They use abutine product as well. And they use kojic acid. They use citric acid. A little bit of hydroquine. Okay, a lot of people asked, why do people add hydroquine to their products and so on? It's like an ingredient, okay, that's lighting the skin very fast. Okay, so Pure White lotion is a very fast lightening or whitening lotion or lightening product. Okay, and it's not recommended for everybody. It's not recommended for everybody. If you are a dark skin person, stay away from Pure White body lotion. If you are a caramel skin person, it's not advisable, but then you can use it by adding a very nice oil to it. Okay, and also it's not recommended for a sensitive skin person, it's not recommended for an oily skin person, but a normal skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a fairer skin person can use it to whiten the skin very well. Okay, and the advantage of using this Pure White body lotion is that it's whitening the skin, it's whitening the skin, it's brightening the skin, okay, it's lightening the skin as well, and it's also good for dry skin people, okay, and it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft. One thing I love about the cake soap is that it smells so nice. This one, it smells so nice, and it clears dark inner thigh, it clears dark armpit, it clears dark spots on the face, because you can use the cake soap on the face as well. But then if you want to use it with the oil, I mean the Pure White lotion and then the Pure White oil, make sure you use these two combination in the night. Don't use it during the daytime and expose the skin under the sun.
Try it. Get the cream, this lotion, and the soap, pair them together and use. You will not get that stretch mark. You will not even get all of those whites, because I know I've seen people that use it with different uh what is it called? Different serum concentrates, and it came out bad. But me, I am telling you what I know will give us that good look, because I've suffered from all of this pigmentation from cream. Okay, so I know what work well. And if you pair it this way and if you pair it this way, get it and use it. But if you want to activate it by getting all the range of this products, you will not like the feedback. That's the truth. You adding the serum for some skin, it will come out nice. That's for people that have that oily skin. If you take this, the serum, you add it to other concentrates, it will come out well on those with oily skin on their body.
I said it earlier on, pure white lotion is not recommended for a dark skinned person. Okay, but then if you are a normal skin person, a combination skin person, a dry skin person, you can use it. Now the roles it plays on the skin is that it whitens the skin, it lightens the skin, it nourishes the skin, it makes the skin very soft, it makes the skin very smooth, and it also brings out your natural glow. One thing about this pure white lotion is that it fades spot on the skin, okay, and it's mostly for people who want to whiten their skin. All right, the side effect of this product is that it gives you stretch marks on the skin if you don't use it well, and also it end up leaving white dot on the skin, and it gives you dark knuckles, okay, especially if you are a dark skin person and you use it during the daytime or you expose the skin under the sun, you will end up having dark knuckles. Most products that contains hydroquine are supposed to be used basically in the night, okay, so don't be using product that contains hydroquine during the daytime because you end up damaging the skin. So if you have ever used pure white lotion or any of the pure white products, you can share your review with us, or you can share your review with me, and you can also leave a comment under the video. Okay, please do what to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification so that if I drop any video, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. All I wanna